Hey there, welcome to another render demo, how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw an ear. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the main shape of my ear. So I'm going to start with a little hook up here, and then we're going to curve down like this. There's going to be a little bit of a bump here, and it's going to kind of come flat a little bit. And then we'll hook back over in this direction. And then where we want to end is if you drew a straight line like this, we're going to have it at a slight angle like that. So the bottom of our ear will be somewhere around here. So it's going to come down, it'll hook over, and then it'll come up like that. So I'm using a graphite pencil. You can go ahead later on and kind of erase some stuff if you want. Okay, now the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a shape right over here, and this will be also at a slight angle. So we're going to hook this bottom like this. This will hook in, and we'll come up right about here. We don't want to come too high. I'm going to leave some space up here. So this will kind of come like this. Okay, something like that. Alright, the next step, we're going to outline this area here. So what I'll do is I'll start from down here, and we'll be close to this edge. And we'll follow it, but it doesn't have to be exactly all symmetrical all the way through. So you can get a little bit thinner as we go up here, kind of bumps, and then as you start to turn back this way, we're going to start to increase the thickness as we go up here. All right, so you're going to kind of come up here, and then what we want to do is we want to curve right about here. Okay, so almost like underneath this little bump here. We want to curve this, and then we want to make sure we're a decent away from this line here. So we'll come like right about to here. Okay, and then this will kind of hook in. So we'll come like this, and then we'll come up, and we'll like meet up like that. Okay, and then this can kind of hook back in this way here, or even down just a little bit. Okay, the next thing what we'll do is from this position here, we're going to continue this across. So we're going to kind of come up, so it's almost going to be this shape that we have here. We're going to almost mirror that in a sense. So we'll come up, maybe it's a little bit longer over here, but then it curves, and you're going to come close to this edge here. Okay, so you're going to kind of hook over, and then come up like that. All right, and then the next thing you want to do is we'll leave a little bit of a break, but we can continue and curve this that into this spot here. So it's almost like we're making this almost like a paddle shape right there, right? So it's kind of do that. All right, something like that. And then over here, we'll come down about halfway from here to here. Somewhere around there, we'll come down, and then we'll curve this way like that. And come down like this. Okay. And then what we can do is we can add a little shape here. And then over here, we'll almost coming off of this line here, we'll create a shape that curves and dips like that. And there'll be one more that comes off of here. And there's a piece that follows this line here. Okay, kind of like this. So this will hook and do something like that. And then we'll have a little curve up over there. And that's pretty much the basics of drawing an ear. So all I'm going to do is go in and start adding, I'm just going to add a little bit of shading to kind of show where parts of the ear go away from the light source and other parts that are in contact with the light source. So we'll create this shading, going to give the ear some depth. So we will see you in a bit. So there you go. We just drew a pretty cool ear. Hopefully yours turned out as cool as this one did. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below, and we will see you all next time. Bye-bye.